Okay.
It's your boy Joker, you know what I'm saying? Mr. LTE, you already know the title of the credit, you know what I'm saying?
MySpace.com/Joker2Cold.
I don't think that I should have to keep introducing myself, but
Nah, tell him anyway. Tell him anyway.
My name is Joker,
Okay.
habitual smoker.
Yeah.
I burn so many trees that I have splinters in my toaster.
Yeah.
I need a bitch to stay below my waist like a holster. And then I sit my cup up on her booty like a coaster. I brag about my booty so they're calling me a boaster.
Yeah.
Giddy up like I was on the Ponderosa. You said that you don't feel me.
It's kind of scary, yo. Wet car wash.
Very deadly weed, I call it though my eyes stay low like a gay dude's in the men's bathroom. No hoe, you marvel at my flow or shiver at my genius.
Yes.
You think of STDs from all the hickeys on my penis. We let the beat live, these other rappers are a bore. I kill so many tracks, they recognize me as the more.
That's
about a 20-pack of Trojans on my last trip to the store. I did a show that night and had to go the next day to buy more. You can test me if you want, examination if you choose, but my Glock will leave your shirt looking like Dorothy shoes. No,